congratulate the Honda Philippines because it was a very organized ride. From the start that we had a meeting in the morning as early as 6 a.m. at the Honda Philippines. And up to here at the venue, it was all organized.
Honda rider, dapat tayo po mismo ang mag-advocate ng road safety.
Wala naman kayo, wala rin naman progress yung aming activity. Malaking bagay po na naibabalik naman namin yung pasalamat sa bawat isa.
Yung positioning sa curve, lalo na po yung formation. Single file lang po tayo at syempre po, iwasan po as much as possible mag-over speed.
Because here in Honda, everyone's safety is our top priority.
Ang rides ngayon napakaganda, napaka-safe, organized, enjoy lang.
Honestly, hindi ko kinonsider yung Honda nung bumili ako ng bike. Pero ngayon, sa ganda na experience ko, talagang mapapasabi ka na ang sarap pala gamitin ng Honda, lalo na yung CB1000R.
Thank you for Honda for organizing this kind of event na magsama-sama lahat ng mga riders, especially yung mga Honda owners.
The bike itself is very comfortable and I think it's very perfect for beginner lady riders because it gives you the perfect seat height that you wouldn't be challenged standing up or having a hard time standing up the bike.
Honda Philippines, we would like to thank everyone for joining this 9th leg of Big Bike Ride.
Honda #1! Honda!